Out of Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, Normality 0. Roarbots.
And how about 25-59?
Out of Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, Normality 0.
And lastly, 5401.
Out of Bensalem, Pennsylvania, fighting Robotic Owls.
Excellent. How about over on the blue side?
Just keep going.
We've got 1403.
Out of Stillman, New Jersey, Cougar Robotics.
And how about 1640?
Out of Downingtown, Pennsylvania, Sabotage.
And lastly, Team 709.
Out of Bryn Mawr, Femtech Fatal.
Excellent. Now, what we need is to see all the thumbs up. We still doing that? Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, let's take a look here at match 73. All right, so Normality 0 for this Red Alliance already getting set with that yellow tote. Moving a container and a tote into the Auton zone. And a container for this Blue Alliance, container set for this Blue Alliance. Bringing all those containers into the Auton zone. Drivers have taken control. Now, what I expect from this Blue Alliance, high scores. You got Sabotage, you got Cougar Robotics. Those teams are ranked 2 and 4. Certainly, Sabotage wants to move themselves into 3. And the only way they can do that, a high score in this match. I expect to see a cooperation stack. I expect to see some high stacks from these two teams formed at their respective human player stations, the near and the far. So with those two teams taking on the human player stations, the only thing that Femtech Fatal can do in this strategy, which they've been doing for the rest of their matches, working that landfill and keeping that area clear for Cougar Robotics and Sabotage to place those stacks. All right, fighting Robo Vikings for this Red Alliance, making a place of 3 gray totes. Let's see if they can place them, but those 3 gray totes would have a value of 6 points. Normality 0, 3 gray totes as well, a value of 6 points. It looks like the Fighting Robotic Owls were not able to bring those 3 gray totes that they were controlling to the scoring platform. So we'll see if Normality 0 can help them out. All right, so Sabotage puts one of their notorious 42-point stacks down. Cougar Robotics helping them out with a nice 36-point stack on the far side of that Blue Alliance scoring platform. And I see the handshake. That means a cooperation stack. 20 seconds now. 40 points for both of these alliances with that cooperation stack. And 122 points in the live scoring. That might be our high score so far for this weekend. And that's going to help Sabotage move up from 4th. Well, we'll see if it happens. 3, 2, 1.
If we can have one representative from every team behind the red station in that aisle.